In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exploring keyboard shortcuts in QuickBooks Online. Keyboard shortcuts are a great way to speed up your work and reduce all that constant clicking around the screen. Instead of hunting through menus every time you want to create an invoice or record an expense, you can press a couple of keys and jump straight to what you need. In QuickBooks Online, there's a built-in way to see many of these shortcuts right on your screen, so you don't have to memorize everything at once. Let's start by opening the on-screen keyboard shortcut guide. If you're on a Windows PC, press Ctrl plus Alt plus the question mark key. If you're on a Mac, press Ctrl plus Option plus the question mark key. When you press that combination, QuickBooks will display a helpful reference window that lists the available shortcuts. You can keep this open while you work, or just glance at it whenever you need a reminder. It's a quick way to discover new shortcuts without leaving what you're doing. If you prefer to navigate with your mouse, you can reach similar information from within the QuickBooks interface. Look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find many of your company and account settings. From the menu that appears, choose Additional Info under the Your Company section. Here you can review useful details about your company file, and depending on your version, it can also be a handy place to confirm how QuickBooks is set up as you start adopting shortcuts into your workflow. Now let's walk through some of the most common shortcuts you can start using right away. From the home screen, pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus I on a PC or Ctrl plus Option plus I on a Mac will open a new invoice. This is perfect if you're frequently billing customers and want to move quickly from one invoice to the next. To record a new expense transaction, use Ctrl plus Alt plus X on a PC or Ctrl plus Option plus X on a Mac. This takes you straight to the expense form, so you can enter vendor, amount, and account details without navigating through several menus. If you're in the middle of a transaction and decide not to keep it, press Ctrl plus Alt plus C on a PC or Ctrl plus Option plus C on a Mac to cancel the transaction. When you're ready to save what you've entered and immediately start another, press Ctrl plus Alt plus S on a PC or Ctrl plus Option plus S on a Mac. This saves the current transaction and opens a fresh one, which is really helpful if you're entering a batch of similar invoices or expenses. If you want to save and send a transaction, such as an invoice you're emailing to a customer, press Ctrl plus Alt plus M on a PC or Ctrl plus Option plus M on a Mac. That saves your work and triggers the send action in one step. Finally, to quickly search for transactions, reports, or other items, press Ctrl plus Alt plus F on a PC or Ctrl plus Option plus F on a Mac. This opens the search menu so you can find what you need without leaving your keyboard. Try using a couple of these shortcuts the next time you're in QuickBooks Online, and gradually add more as they become familiar. Over time, they'll help you move through your accounting tasks faster and with fewer clicks.